Come join me as I try to make a fish on the knitting machine. I started off by casting on with the blue yarn, and made about 42 rows with it. Then I switched to the green yarn and made with that about 20 rows. I finished it all off with a few rows of waste yarn. Then for the fins, I cast on with the green yarn, made about 10 rows and finished off with waste yarn. And I made 2 of these. The next step was closing up the tail. And now I needed to scrunch it up. So I took the long tail that I had left when switching colors, and picked up the stitches from that row. Before closing it completely, I added some stuffing. Then tied those tails together tightly. Next, for the mouth, I simply pulled on the tail from the beginning, and before closing, again I added stuffing, and also eyes. I realized after that I should have placed the eyes a bit more to the center of the fish, but for a first time it's okay. I then closed the mouth up tightly. And now for the fins, I first close up the side with the waste yarn. And cinched up a bit the other side and sewed it together. Then sewed it onto the fish. In middle, I realized that it should be a bit more cinched up, so I adjusted it accordingly. I did the same on the other side with the other fin. And lastly, hid in all the tails. For a first time trying this, I would say it came out pretty cute. Thanks for watching. See you next time.